Crop Dr. Ghana Limited, Micromech Solutions is in to modernize the Ghanaian agriculture through mechanized farming to create rural prosperity. This mini combine harvester from Micromech Solutions is used for harvesting rice, cutting, threshing, and felling all in a single operation. It cuts low and leaves a very well-cleared land for the next session of planting exercise to take place easily. In an hour, the mini combine harvester can cover 1 to 2 acres of land averagely. With a lesser operation time, all these bags of rice have been harvested. It is low on fuel consumption and has headlight to assist you and your harvest even at night. It is easily operated by one person, no special skills required. Anyone can operate it after receiving basic training from Crop Dr. Ghana Limited. The mini combine harvester provides you with the opportunity to engage in rental services to obtain extra income. For more information, contact us on these numbers. Crop Dr. Ghana Limited. Think business. Think Micromech.